Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. Welcome to Insta TV. Commodity block currencies are keeping up the pace with rising oil prices, ignoring weak economic fundamentals. On Thursday, the Australian dollar continued its upward trajectory versus the US dollar, extending gains from the previous session. The Aussie is now trading around 0.7143 against the greenback. In fact, the slow but steady recovery in crude prices was not the primary reason behind the appreciation of the Australian currency. Above everything else, the bullish trend was shaped and fueled by the market's reaction to the minutes of the Federal Reserve's latest policy meeting released yesterday. The document revealed that nearly all members of the Federal Open Market Committee opposed the idea of raising the benchmark interest rate in March as inflation expectations drifted lower. The January meeting minutes, taking any short-term rate hikes off the table, were sufficient to send the world's leading currency into a downswing against other majors. That is why the Australian dollar stands firm versus its US counterpart at the moment, despite a batch of downbeat jobs reports released earlier. According to the latest labour market data provided by the Australian Bureau of Statistics, the economy shed 7,900 jobs in January after a downwardly revised loss of 800 in December. These discouraging figures came as a surprise to the downside, as most economies had expected the recent positive dynamic to persist. At the same time, Australia's jobless rate climbed to 6%, up from the previous reading of 5.8%, while analysts had forecasted to remain steady. A number of currency strategists warn that the Aussie's gains would be limited and the recent upward march would not last long amid high volatility. At present, the Australian dollar is holding ground against the greenback. However, fresh US statistics slated for release later in the day may push the currency pair back to its lows. Follow our news on InstaForexTV to find out what the future holds for the two majors.